Hey everybody, this is our last video. House is almost done completely now. Today we got some minor things we're going to finish up, but the kitchen looks great, but at this point it's just problem solving. The appliances are all in, but that was a fiasco in itself. The oven is supposed to slide right in, and after they put the granite in, we're about a quarter-inch too short a space, and so there was no way to get the oven in, so it was sitting out here. So I had to have the guys come back and shave a little bit off, and so now it fits really good. Dishwasher's almost completely done. We just got to finish mounting it in, but of course the house is from the 50s, so it didn't have a dishwasher, so we had to jump a power wire off the switch, run it through the wall and back out the back so that we could power the dishwasher.
Stupid fridge story.
Yeah, the fridge is a whole nother wasted day. We would normally put the fridge in a little better location, but since this house is already under contract, we're doing what the buyer wants, and she wanted the fridge right here. So we had to work with the countertop guys and having a space for the fridge. We got a fridge that was 36 inches wide, you know, just standard width, and of course that didn't fit.
And now it measures 36 inches.
Yeah.
Now this new fridge is only 30
inches.
30 inches deep, but it's 33.
It's 30 wide.
30 wide?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so. When we put the 36-inch fridge in, we didn't keep into account that the dang doors got to open. And so the fridge actually fit, but when you open the door, it would hit the wall. You can actually see where the fridge was touching the wall. But it barely fit, but it just wasn't going to work because this door is right here. And this is the door out to the backyard. But we found a 30 by 30 fridge that ended up to work good. Problem is, with the weird size like that, you can't be picky on. I mean, they don't make that many models like that. This one does not have the external ice maker and water dispenser, so we're gonna have to add one, and it's like 50 bucks, and it goes inside the freezer for the ice maker. But it works, and it looks good, so that's all that matters.
And after we finish those couple problems, we got the cleaning. When I shaved the last little bit of granite off, you can see right here, it's just amazing the dust that went everywhere. So now we've got to clean the whole kitchen again.
Yeah, it's hard to see, but this whole kitchen has a layer of white dust from shaving off 1/8 of an inch of this granite. But long story short, me and Tyler spent all day messing with appliances, and it got me stressed out. And I'm always the guy that's like, oh, no, it'll be okay. Tyler calls me from his day job, and he's like, man, well, what about this? What about that? I'm like, dude, it'll be fine. I'll handle it. Don't worry about a thing. And then he calls me when he gets off work. Well, did they come? Is it fixed? I'm like, man, I got it under control. But on this particular kitchen, you know, we spend all day moving stuff back and forth from Lowe's. Nothing fits. I'm on my hands and knees trying to measure everything. I'm stressed out. And Tyler's like, man, if you're stressed out, something's wrong.
We're in trouble.
But, I mean, it's not that big a deal, but I just lose sleep over that kind of thing because I feel like we start the whole day to accomplish a lot, and at the end of the day, I stand back and look, and I'm like, well, we gotta take the fridge back. The stove doesn't slide in. It doesn't freaking fit.
No power for the dishwasher.
Yeah, the dishwasher's in, but there's no power to it. We've got to hardwire that, which I think they're mostly all hardwired. And but now we've got cleaning, so we've got literally a layer of dust everywhere. And we're gonna clean the whole house, mop, sweep, dust, wipe the fan blades off, clean the windows, and then landscaping. But after today, that's a wrap. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll do some shooting of today's work. We've got to peel all this blue stuff off. This is like a protective film, you know, so it doesn't get scratched in transport. And then I kind of stuck this on here because I told Tyler, I said, I just know somebody's going to open this back door and slam into the fridge. And so until we sell it, I do not want a dent in this fridge. So basically, I got a little piece of styrofoam to protect that, and then I put this on the door handle so the door handle doesn't smash into the door. So I guess that's it. Let's get to cleaning.